And today, let's go ahead and create that speed trick effect in Photoshop. Okay. Only thing we have to do is let's open up Photoshop and pull up some layers. So I got this layer pulled up. Now this particular layer is already cut out, and this is a PNG image here, meaning it does not have a background. Now what we'll do, first things first, let's head up to filter and let's convert this for smart filters in case we need to make any adjustments now or in the future. Okay, so what we'll do here with this layer, let's go ahead and name this main subject. Okay, now we're going to need several copies and we will start right now. Okay, so let's make a copy here, pull on down. Okay, so now what we'll do is let's go ahead and move our copy over, hit shift and move it over about, let's just say 10 spaces with the right arrow. And we'll make a copy of that one. And we'll do the same thing here, shift. We'll do the same thing, repeat this process here. Okay, copy, shift, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I think 8 copies would be good. Okay, so what we'll do, we have our main subject here. We don't want to include that into the group. So what we'll do is we'll grab the main subject copy directly above that. And then head up to the very top, hit shift and click. So we grabbed all of these elements here and we'll hit Control G, set these in a group. Now what we can do is right click on that and let's convert to a smart object. Okay, that looks great. Now what we'll do is let's head on up to filter and then go down to blur and then let's choose motion blur. Maybe in the 800s maybe. Okay. And let's take the angle and we will make that 0. Hit 0 there and hit OK. Now what we can do is let's go ahead and stretch this out. Like so. Pull it out. Maybe that will work. Okay, that looks good. Okay, let's move it just a little bit. About like so. There we go. Okay, so now what we'll do is let's go ahead and set this group here. We'll name this Flash. So we'll call this Flash, and let's just go ahead and move our Flash underneath our main subject here. And there we go. All right, and we can adjust this accordingly. See this little gap right here behind her backside area? I don't really like that to be visible. So let's just go ahead and move this over, which is our Flash group here. Shift and kind of move it over just a little bit. I think that's fine. Now we'll add a background here. Let's just go ahead and add an adjustment layer. Pull up solid color here. And we can make our background whatever we like. I think maybe dark would be fine at first. Let's pull this down to the bottom here. There we go. All right, that looks nice. So let's just go ahead and make some minor adjustments here. So now if we take a look at this photo here, you see how these little flash parts are zooming out before her? We do not want that, so that is easy to fix. So what we'll do here, let's take our flash layer and let's just go ahead and make a clipping mask like so. We'll hit E, pull up our eraser tool and make sure white is our foreground here. And let's just go ahead and make this brush a little bit bigger. And we kind of just trace the places that that we know that it wouldn't be before. So no, it'd be underneath the arm. So that is looking really good. And that is it. Now, of course, if you want to get fancy, let's just go ahead and change our background to any color we like. Maybe some orangish a little bit, or maybe like a white color. Anything you like. Maybe a skin tone. Not bad. Okay, so now we can make our adjustments how we please. I think it looks better with that kind of background there. A lighter color background looks good to me. And I think that'll do it for this one. We are finished. Until next time, like always, see you in the next video.